So one of the new features in Illustrator 2024 is text-to-vector graphics. You can generate from scenes, to patterns, to icons. Let's take a look. So let's start by drawing a simple rectangle. Click the selection tool and this bar will appear. If you don't see it, you go to Window and click on Contextual Taskbar. You can also select the type. Let's choose subject for now. Click Generate, and I wrote here rocket launching from ground. Click the Generate button, and it's just generated our rocket with 9 variations. You can switch between them and choose the one to your liking. Okay, I want to generate a scene now with that rocket. Let's draw another rectangle and click Generate, but I want to choose a scene here. Click the Generate button again, and a few seconds later I will get my scene. You can also choose between the variations on this menu here. Now it can also match a style. I have this image here. It's kind of a half-tone style image. Let's draw the same rocket. Let's choose a subject, generate, and click on the style picker and choose this image. And then click Generate. And there you have it. It is getting closer to the style of the image I chose. You can also play around with the settings and choose an icon, a pattern, depending on the complexity of whatever you want to generate. This feature is still in beta as of the time of this recording, and obviously it's getting better and better. And so far it's doing a pretty good job. So this will be the end of our video for today. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.